my dick.
We witnessed the ultimate fail for New Year's. Turned Bellagio into a nightclub, spent over 12 hours at the strip, and guzzled some exotic drinks. True story. It's Key, and we back at it. You know what time it is. It's time for a road trip. Let's go. First, we're going to Vegas. Let's get it. I'll see y'all in the next morning. Peace out. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Vegas, we on the way right now. Woo! Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so we have a pit stop, bathroom break. It's really cold outside.
You can do that? You don't know?
It's supposed to be the desert, but it's so cold outside. So yeah. Welcome to Nevada. Woo! Welcome to Nevada. Woo! We just made it to Vegas. We're about to eat breakfast right now. Man, I'm starving. It's so cold. Woo! Time to feast.
Oh yeah, we gotta take a photo of this.
We're at the Luxor right now. Gonna walk around the strip, have some fun. So we're trying Coke from all around the world.
So let's see.
Too much sugar today, but let's try it. Alright, first one I'm gonna try is thumbs up from India.
Two. This is the German one. I think, right? Yeah, two. This is
Pretty good, pretty good. This tastes kind of like watered down Coke, so it's pretty good. Second one I'm gonna try, the Kiss strawberry from Panama. I don't really like that one, honestly. And this one, next one I'm gonna try.
This one is good. The Fanta pineapple.
Fanta Colita from Costa Rica.
Special. Small sperm.
The special what? That one's kind of weird for me.
Pineapple, right? Fanta Cooper.
This one's queso Maria.
Yeah. This one is strange.
Yeah, this one is really strange.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the thing from Mexico. I don't know if I like that.
Kind of
Too much sugar.
Yeah.
I tried all the domestic, not domestic. Tried all the Coke from all around the world, and after trying them all, I think this one's my favorite. Just water.
I don't even know, man.
Alright, we're doing a guessing game right now.
Is it the spray cucumber?
Nope.
No.
Wrong.
Oh, is it the? I'm not really sure. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Thumbs up. It's a thumbs up.
It's a thumbs up. Okay.
Thumbs up from
Kind of-
India. Where you at?
What did you give Lauren one?
I don't think this is like the special flavor. Wrong. Dude, I can't tell. Is it Fanta? Is it red?
No, it's yellow.
It's pee-pee corn.
I can't. I don't know.
It's Coca-Cola from Peru. Okay, let's get here. Here you go, Lauren.
Winners get $1 each, okay?
From each person.
Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this.
Yeah.
Do you remember it? The one with the plum?
Oh no, it's not one.
You didn't like the plum?
It's from
The one
Beverly.
that
Beverly from Italy. It's not. I don't like it.
Hey Reagan, now you close your eyes.
Yeah, not good.
He said $5.
This is something that we usually drink, right? That means it's from domestic. Cherry.
No.
Cherry vanilla.
Really?
Coke.
Yeah. Right.
You didn't get it right. Cherry vanilla, not cherry Coke. This cherry and cherry vanilla are both the same. Shut up. Give me $1. Okay. Close your eyes.
What, Reagan, what is wrong with you?
If you get this right, I'll give you $10. This is really hard.
They're trying again after they choked. I got this. I don't even remember half the flavors. What is this? I don't know what this is, but cheers.
Thumbs up? It's thumbs up, yeah. Good job.
Yes.
Damn.
Nice.
What about you?
How can you tell?
Huh?
How can you tell?
It tastes like Coke, but it's not Coke.
This is the one from Spain.
Okay, close your eyes again. I'm gonna push this other one.
One from Spain.
No, man. Oh yeah.
It
yeah.
is.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait.
give me my
I'm
money.
curious.
Give me my money. Give my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Messi, 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 Messi.
Yay.
This is a recording. Alright, y'all. Fast forward, we're about to eat dinner. It was pretty tiring walking in the strip.
Making a vlog, kids?
Stop mine! Whoa, whoa, hey. So anyway, we dropped our stuff off in the hotel. We rested for about an hour, and now we're about to eat dinner. Finished eating. Now we at Fremont Street. We're about to enter inside Fremont Street. Let's go. See what's going on. I think there's a banquet. Towards the night before New Year's Eve. Look at all this. Wow. Hey, he jiggy with it. He jiggy with it. It's New Year's Eve 2022. It's been a great year. I'm so thankful for all the friends I've made this past year, all the memories I've made. I'll never forget it. I'll continue to push for success. To my family and my friends, I'm always thinking about you. 2023, let's hope it'll be a great year. Good night, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Just woke up. We're about to eat brunch. Yeah, she just woke up too. He just woke up. Everyone just woke up. We were sleeping last night. I think I slept okay. It was kind of tight, but I made the most out of it. Yeah, we're about to feast in the buffet.
Oh, he's the boss.
Yeah. Where is bodyguards? He's the boss.
Alright, this is what I got. Standard breakfast. It looks good though. New Year's Eve. Starting off well. Let's go. Round 2, let's go. Woo! Let's go more strip walking. Let's go. More stripping. It smells like crap in here. Mountain. Blue sky. Fishing. New jacket. Smells like Louis V. It's dinner time. Can you guess what we're eating right now? Woo! Here we go. Oh my god, I tried the water at Hell's Kitchen. Yeah. Woo! Yummy. Yeah, unfortunately, New Year's Eve prices, Ramsey, Hell's Kitchen, is not friendly for college students, so we're gonna eat somewhere else. We had Guy Fieri's, not a bad substitute. Can you all believe there's only 4 hours left of 2022? Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No way.
Dang! Vegas really go hard for New Year's Eve. Look at the streets are even closed. Hey sir. Big bridge. Italy fountain.
Where's the top?
Kobe!
Oh!
Can I make it in?
Stop.
So close, close.
Nice.
Oh, alright.
I got one.
Good job, Dave. Look like Dave. It's
It's over.
It's over. You're over.
Oh. I guess I went over. Cruising on the street of Vegas. The Vegas streets. See this? All road, baby.
It's getting hard.
Whee! Spin. Whee! In case you couldn't tell, we've been here since the afternoon. It's been a hell of a long day, but you know what? It's probably gonna be worth it. 2023, baby, let's go! Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Look. All the roads are closed. People walking on the streets. Oh my god. This celebration is gonna be something special. Oh, I better not lose my people. Let's go. Right. New Year soon.
Yeah.
We're live, bitch. Look, we got the feather. Got the feathers for New Year. Got the hats for New Year. We're ready. 2023, what you got? Less than an hour till 2023. This is our view. We're gonna see some fireworks tonight. Woo! Woo!
Okay, calm down.
Less than 30 minutes. Who's excited? I think it's like 5 minutes away from 2023. They're playing the national anthem right now. I forgot to mention it's like pouring right now. Everyone is
Pouring? Excuse where is it pouring?
Yeah. Nah, but like you know what I mean. That is wet. Look at this. It's a lot of commitment to do this, but you know what? You don't do this every day. So the countdown timer is like right there, but it's so early. I need to f up the timer. Why is it so early?
I think that's is it right?
Is that right? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Wait, is that
Everyone's 11 to 9. It's 1 to 9. It's not. This is not the New Year yet. Okay, that kind of. They fucked it up.
Happy New Year!
They fucked it up. They fucked it up. How do you fuck it up? We're not there yet.
Stupid.
All of you, they're so stupid. Alright, here's the real timer. 30 seconds.
Oh my god.
30, 29, 28. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! beautiful, but prayers to the guy who's getting fired tonight for f***ing up the timer.
At least show your fountain, man.
Fireworks are done. I just want to say I'm blessed. Happy New Year, y'all. It's day 3 of the trip, technically, and we're about to head back. Blessed to have a good company with me as well.
Me.
Yes, you. We're heading back now. It's gonna be a little chaotic, but we just gotta navigate through. Happy New Year, bro. How does it feel to be 33 this year?
Shut up. I'm 23.
23. Just kidding.
Or 13.
Just 13, yeah. She's 13 years old, guys.
I'm a minor.
Hi, y'all. That's gonna do it for this vlog. This is only part 1 of part 2 of the series. So I'm gonna end it right here because this is a good road trip. Happy birthday to whoever that is. Peace out, y'all. Ain't no way, bro. We're trying to get back in our room. Looks like there's elevator problems. What has this night turned into, man? Bro, you know, all the floors to go one by one. Sorry. How you good, bro?
It's just funny.
This is hilarious.
It ain't that major, bro.
It lit up
It's
a Christmas light.
good. Anybody? What's the next one y'all getting off on?
28.
We're all 28. 28. Oh, 28? Okay.
Almost there.
Review.